Hey crafty cuties, welcome back to Paper Terrace. If you're new, I'm Jessica, and this is the cutest little kitty that still has no name. But today I thought it would be fun to actually just sit down and do a face-to-face video. I haven't done one of these in a while other than a few live videos. I got something exciting in the mail today, and I should grab some scissors. This is a package from Boho Needs, and if you haven't heard of this shop, you can find it on Facebook, and Mehataj is from India. She is the one who is in charge, and she has amazing fabric packs and all kinds of like bohemian fabrics and laces and junk journal kits and things like that. And if you're looking for someone new to support and you want to get some amazing things in return, she would be a great person to support. Like I said, she's in India, and I do know that right now she is trying to save up, and she has a dream of opening a craft shop in the future. So I love being able to support someone with a dream, and she has just really amazing, real good quality items. I've opened quite a few packages from her. So today we are opening up a Christmas, I think it's like a junk journal kit box. She might have named it differently than that, but we're gonna go through. And also, if you want to see better like close-up photos of these things, then check out my Instagram. I'm just gonna go ahead and start pulling things out. Everything is packaged so nicely. I don't want to undo it, but let's start with like what I see as the biggest pack here. And so hopefully you saw that. I feel like I should almost get a photo of how she had it all packaged up because it was so pretty. Let me show you guys at least. Because I just feel like presentation is definitely like a big deal. Oops. And you can tell that she puts so much time and love into how she packages things up. Okay, that was my thumbnail photo. So let's go ahead and dig in. So I'm gonna open this up, and then we can just go through all of the pieces. I know this isn't always the best way to get the best view when we are sitting down like this, but I just wanted to be able to sit and see you guys today. So there's lots of fabric pieces. And I'm going to assume that each pack is going to be slightly different. I could be wrong. It might have all of the exact same fabrics, but you'll be able to check it out on the listing. And a lot of times these packs have very similar items or the same amount or same sizes, but I can already see there's so many fabrics. This one is like sparkly. I hope you can see that, with like an embossed pretty design on that. They're all reds and greens, so very classic. I mean, already I'm realizing that if you wanted, you could already make so many junk journal covers just from this part alone. This is a really pretty plush velvet. Like this right here could be, you know, one whole journal cover, or you could like mix these up and do some type of like a patchwork. I'm 100% planning on using these to create something, so it might not be for a month or so because I'm not as far ahead as everyone else. But look at this gorgeous lace, and it has like some sparkle. Ooh, I'm glad I turned on that second light because I think you can actually see some of the textures on these. This is such a good mix. Like I was saying, these would go really well together, or they could all be almost separate journal covers, just depending on how you want to use it. So then we have some really pretty sheer, this one's kind of sticking there, but you can see that one. I mean, these would also just be great for any type of crafting, or you could just have it in your stash to be used throughout the holiday season. I mean, there's no way that I would even use up all of this at once, for sure. So then there's this one. This is really pretty too. And I like how this one, the color is not really showing very well on camera, but it's like a sage green mixed with like a forest green. I don't know, but it's really pretty. Love that. Ooh, and I like how this one kind of complements everything. It's more of a teal, I guess you would, no, not teal, like a soft baby blue-ish, but with a green hint. And then gold, always nice to have some gold in there with these classic colors. Really nice textures on all of these. And I should mention really quick that Mehataj has sent this box to me. She sent me quite a few, and you know, she doesn't tell me what to say or anything like that. She's just gifting it to me. And I mean, I want to share this stuff with you guys because I know that you'll be interested. Yeah, this is just a really nice box. And a navy blue, which I like that. I like that in there. Okay, sorry. So that's the first little pack of goodies. Then this one looks like there are lots of different trims. Now I want to try and not take everything apart, but I want to show you guys. So she has it just so wrapped so beautifully. So there's reds and green pom-pom, but then there's 3 different trims. I forget what kind of fabric you call this. I think it's kind of like sari ribbon, but there's a red, green, and navy blue, and I am loving that color combo. I mean, it goes really well with all of the fabrics, so all of this would work really well together. Most all of her packs always include lots of beads, and I think that's so thoughtful because you can use these in so many different ways. You can make junk journal, like little embellishments, paper clips for the sides of your pages in your journal. You could use these on the covers, or you could use these in a really pretty tassel. So there's just really so many ways. Now I heard some jingle, and oh my gosh, I didn't realize how cool these were, so I hope I can show you. So here's like the little bag. There's like a little bell. Again, I would think tassel, but let me show you these two. And again, I don't know if they're all going to be exactly the same, but they're like little globes and they have beads in them. I hope that's gonna focus for you. It's hard to know where the camera is, to be quite honest. So yeah, those are just really cool. I had to make sure you saw those, and I don't think it focused very well, but I hope you saw it okay. But wait, there's more. Now we are getting into some really pretty trims, and these are like decorated, beaded type trims. So we have whites, and these would be gorgeous on the edges of pages or on the covers, whatever. There's like lacy ones, gold with sequins, really shiny ones. There's quite a few in here, so I'm just going to kind of go through and show you what I have here in this pack. So that's really nice to have along with this kit, because you're already getting like all of these trims. So, I mean, you will be able to do so much having all of that. Let's see, so then we have another little pack, and I think maybe this is appliques. Let's go ahead and take a look. She has the cutest little stickers for her shop name too. I didn't want to rip that, but yeah, so I think they're called appliques, but you can see really pretty beaded, and then some more right there. Okay, I am seeing some papers in here, and I didn't expect that, so let's take a look. Ooh, actually, pretty. Okay, so there are some tags as well, and like a journaling card. These are on, sorry, my cat is making funny noises. These are so cute. Now these are on really nice heavy cardstock, but also a little glossy, like really nice quality. So I don't know if I should have asked. I don't know if she scanned these herself and printed them, or maybe they're from a pack. I'm not sure, but really cute. So these would be a nice way. Oh my gosh, I love this one. This would be a really nice way to decorate the pages. Yeah, so this is like a full kit. I mean, you can make really everything you need. Oh. And then there's some paper. Okay, I think these are folded in half. So at first I thought these were just like a small paper, but they're actually folded in half. So this is like a journal kit. And I hope you can see it's on really nice quality paper. So that's nice. This is such a cute little set. I can't wait to do some Christmas crafting. I know that so many people are already doing Christmas crafting, but man, I'm definitely not quite there yet. Ooh, and there's some coffee dyed paper, and that's nice to have because I don't always have coffee dyed paper on hand. So there's 2 pages there, like full pages that are folded. And it looks like some like handmade type paper as well. I think I saw one more thing. Now, I wasn't really sure what this is, but it's really cute, whatever it is. It's like a little candy cane, like a metal embellishment, I think. And I'm not sure, you could use that maybe, there's a little hook, so maybe it could be like a charm on a tassel. I'm not exactly sure, but that's everything in the box. I am so excited. Such a nice box. And again, I will put her links below if you want to go follow her. She has a YouTube channel too, and a lot of times she will show the things that she has in her shop, or she has great tutorials and things like that. So feel free to check her out, and let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have started any Christmas crafting yet. Like I said, I can't wait, but I'm probably not going to get a chance to start until next month, which is November, which, I mean, really that's fine, but you know, projects take a while, which is why we need to start so soon. Yeah, that's everything. Here, I'll give you a peek of my cute kitty, because why not? He's just been sitting here trying to bite everything as we go along. Look, do you want to say hello? He's getting big, and he is just such a sweetheart. Okay, guys, I'm gonna let you go. I'll see you later. And I'll add some photos at the end here, some close-up photos for you. Okay, bye, guys.